Okay, this is my juice. I kept it in the freezer while I washed my Motive 1 slow juicer. It's really important to clean your juicer immediately. Otherwise, it's just so much more difficult to clean. Okay, I made almost 400 ml. There's just a tiny drop in here. So I'll have a taste and let you know what it's like. Oh my god, it's very strong. The skin of a whole lemon is way too much. I think it would have been okay if I added one more cucumber, but it was a bit strong. The ginger was just right. In fact, I think the ginger mitigated the taste of the lemon. Other than that, it's a very strong, robust green juice this morning.